A sheep castration tool.
Castration tool. Well, don't show Joe that.
That's the township of Eungella.
Eungella. How do you spell that?
Eungella.
When you've got, when you've got
Platypus.
Yep.
Oh, wow.
Will I get my money back if I don't see a platypus? A day trip out of Proserpine to Eungella, and it's about 140 k's. National Park. What are we going to do up there?
I don't know. What are we doing up there, Annette?
Oh, there's platypus up there. It's well known for platypus. So we'll have a look at them in the wild.
Go for a bit of a walk, but even more importantly, we're going to have a sausage sizzle.
Yeah,
and
brunch.
Brunch. That'd be pretty good. So it's about an hour on this road, and then we hit the mountain, and I believe it's quite a windy track. And you can see the mountains in the distance over there. So that's probably not the ones we're going to, but they're probably friends of the ones that we're going to. This is the township of Calen, and they've got a pub down there. And then they've got Calen General Store. And what was your name?
Peter.
Tell me all about it.
So the store was built in about 1930 something.
Yes.
It's been owned by the same family since 1966.
Oh, wow. Yes.
The history that I know of is it used to be a dance hall.
Oh, wow.
And then it was turned into a general store.
What's this guy here? Is he security or?
So yes, no, well, he's actually dressed up as Ken at the moment.
Ken?
Because the new Barbie movie's come out. So we've tried to dress him up like Ken.
Yes. So is there anywhere people can camp around here in the town? Is there any caravan parks or?
So there is a caravan park.
Oh, good.
So at College or St Helens, it's called St Helens Caravan Park.
Yep.
So that's just back across the bridge heading
cool.
south.
Okay.
There's also some hip camps around.
There's another customer. It's a happy man. Yep.
So there's a hip camp just up the road. It's
Yes.
called Creek and Antique.
Oh, okay.
So you've got to cross a creek and it's beautiful. He has a lot of old wood fire stoves
Okay.
and a lot of farming implements
Cool.
and stuff in his shed.
So that'll be probably on Wiki Camp, so we'll probably find that.
It'll be something like that. We also have an O'Dear farm stay, which is all about showing people how the cane industry works.
Oh, right, that's interesting.
She has a John Deere museum as
Yes.
well.
Mhm.
So there's a little house that she's decked out
Yeah.
with all their John Deere memorabilia.
Oh, well done. Oh, well, Peter, thanks heaps. There's so much to do. I'm going to go and have a look through the shop. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you
And
too.
what a great place. Yeah, well done. Oh, we've got lots of stuff here. So what they've done is they've actually put everything into categories. And this is ladles. They've got ice trays, peelers, ashtrays, cameras, Caro lamp wicks. And what's Joey got?
Fly swat
What's that for?
to hit you.
Oh, that's not very nice. That's not going up. Yeah, the men's section here. And we've got all the things that men need to fix things with. And we've got every sort of belt that you could imagine here too. Oh, and again, everything's really well labelled in the boxes.
So you can even find a sheep castration tool.
Castration tool. Well, don't show Joe that because I might be in trouble there because we've got 10 kids. So yeah, so castration.
Oh, you don't need it.
No, I've already had the big V. We're heading up the hill at Eungella. Steep winding climb.
And what's up here? What's up here, Annette?
Oh, there's a dam. There's lots of there's a little town called Broken River that's got nice little accommodation. But the main thing that's up here is there's lots of bushwalks and that. But there's what do you call it?
A gorge?
Platypus.
A platypus?
No, the gorge is back at Finch Hat.
Oh, right.
Yeah, but there is a lookout in that up here.
A lookout, and there's platypus.
Yep.
Oh, wow.
Will I get my money back if I don't see a platypus? That's one good thing about Queensland, they don't charge you to come to national parks. towards Lookout, and yeah, not a bad lookout. You can see a fair way down there in the valley. That's the valley we came in on. You can see the road coming in there. Yeah, pretty spectacular. Okay, so we're going to do the Pine Grove circuit, which is only 1.6 k's, but I reckon there's going to be a few hills. We're here, and we're going to work our way around, and then we're going to check out all these other places on the way up. If you look through there, you can probably hear them. We've got lots of bats up here, and keep your eyes open for the bats. There's one there, and then there's one there. So it's probably a good idea to wear walking shoes on this track. It's all downhill at the moment. They've got a good boardwalk across this creek here. They're fairly big. It's a bit muddy. Another information thing, and we are here. So we started down there, and we'll be at least halfway, I reckon. It's pretty cool. You girls right?
Yep.
You reckon you could carry me?
Nope.
So, duty of care here. Oh, there's Annette. She's tying a shoelace. Do you want me to hold the knot for you? No?
No.
Check this tree out. That's pretty special. Right up there. Oh, and there's lots of nests and stuff up there. Back down to the car, we've got this slalom. And it just goes backwards and forwards, left and right. And it's even, yeah, look at this. This is chrome. This is the chrome special section. So we're going to do the sky window circuit, and we know it's the sky window circuit because the sign says sky window circuit.
No smoking.
No smoking in it. You might be smoking hot, but you're not allowed to be hot here. Itself's really good. It's bitumen. Okay, so you've got the road that we came up on down there, and you've got the little township further over. Good view. What are you going to say?
That's Eungella.
That's the what?
That's Eungella.
What is it?
That's the township of Eungella.
Eungella. How do you spell that?
Eungella.
How do you spell that?
E-U.
Yes.
N-G-E-L-L-A.
You guys must do Wordle. I think you both cheat. So this is Broken River, and this is the Broken River bush camping. So you can actually go in here, check out Wiki for the price, but that looks quite nice.
It does actually.
A little bit small, yeah, you probably get a big van in there. Here's Broken River, and this is where the Platypus are meant to be.
Puss. It's around here.
So we're here, and if we go 266 metres, there's Platypus viewing. And if we go back this way, down there, we've got some more Platypus viewing. And let's go and see if we can see a platypus. So, we've got a bush turkey. Hey mate, how you going?
It's a native cassowary.
See you mate.
It's a miniature cassowary.
Can you actually talk that language, Annette? Can you talk bush turkey? You did it very well. He knew what you were saying.
I'm really good at it. Hi, Graham.
I'll go here.
La 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 la.
When you've
La
got
la la.
when you've
La
got
la la la.
when you've got
La la la.
when you've
La
got
la la la.
talent
La la
like
la.
this, and
La
it's,
la la.
this is my
La la
sister.
la.
She's been practicing this for ages, and she's going to definitely be on YouTube this time. Okay, so some sort of Gabian decorations here, but they're quite good. Look at that, that's pretty cool. We must be getting a bit closer here. It's a nice bit of a waterfall down there. There he is again, swimming against the current. This is the track to the camping area, which is a little bit further west and uphill from the Platypus viewing area at Broken Creek. Is it creek or river?
River.
Yeah, well it was a creek one day, and then when the Platypus came, everyone came and it became a river. Fern Flat camping area. There's toilets. Yeah, it's mainly for tents, I'd say.
Yep.
Who knows?
This one there.
Definitely tents or even rooftop, you'd probably get in there. Rooftop. All intermingled, aren't they? That's about it. Very good. So that was a good day out. We saw Platypus. We had a good lunch. We saw some really good views. And now we're having a spectacular sunset as we drive home. Oh, it's really good. Thank you, Annette, my tour guide. No, it's okay. I'll just get the best bits.
Don't worry, it won't be.
It is. She was right. Look,
Of course I'm
turn
right.
around point. So 200 metres, you've got to turn around here. So when you did your driving test, did you have to do a 3-point turn?
Yeah.
How'd you go?
You try and turn this tank around on a bloody 5-cent
Oh,
coin.
you've had years to practice. Excuses don't count here.